Welcome back. This is lesson 2 of Flow AI's course, AI for Gen X. And you're here because your company is moving to AI. You need to learn it. You need to show you know it. This lesson gets you one visible win. One thing you do with AI that your manager sees. No coding, no technical setup, just one task you'll complete in 45 minutes. Here's what we'll cover. What an AI win is, what a prompt is, one workflow, a long email thread summarized into 5 bullets with owners and one next step, how to make it safe, and how to make it visible. By the end, you'll have shipped one AI win. Your manager will see it. You'll know this works. Let's start with what an AI win is. An AI win has 3 parts. Part 1, it's tiny. You're not building an app. You're not creating a presentation. You're doing one small task with the help of AI. An example, you're turning one email thread into 5 bullets. You can draft one reply to a routine email. You can clean up one messy paragraph. You can summarize one meeting into action items. Pick the smallest version of a task you do every week. Part 2, it's useful. It saves you time. It's not 3 hours, maybe 15 minutes. But 15 minutes saved once is useful. 15 minutes saved every week is valuable. Part 3, it's visible to your manager. Your manager sees you did it. They see the result. You send them the 5 bullet summary. You share the cleaned up paragraph. You forward the action items. They see you used AI. They see it worked. That's a win. Here are 5 AI wins you could ship today. An email thread of 20 messages summarized into 5 bullets for your manager. Meeting notes, 3 pages long, summarized into a decision list with owners and dates. A long document with 10 pages, summarized into a 1-page summary. A messy paragraph distilled down into a clean, clear version, or a routine email request that's converted into a professional draft reply. Pick one. Do that today. For this lesson, we'll do number 1, email thread to 5 bullets. Why? Because everyone has email threads. You do this task every week. It takes 20 minutes manually. With AI, it takes 5. That's 15 minutes saved. Do it 50 times per year and you save 12 hours. What you're shipping today? 1 email thread summarized into 5 clear bullets. The owners are listed. One next step that you can share with your manager. Let's start with what is a prompt. A prompt is what you type into the AI tool. Plain English instructions. That's it. No code, no special syntax, just instructions. See this box? This is where you typed your prompt in Copilot. This is where it goes in Gemini. This is where it goes in ChatGPT. When writing prompts, you need to be specific. A bad prompt says, summarize this. A good prompt says, read this email thread, give me 5 bullets covering the key points, include who's responsible and what happens next. The difference? Specific instructions, and specific instructions get specific results. Here's the exact prompt you'll use today. Copy this. You can pause this video and copy it. It says, please read what I paste next and give me 5 plain English bullets covering the key points. 2, a list of owners and dates if you can figure them out. And 3, one next step I can send back in 1 sentence. Ask up to 3 clarifying questions first if you need more context. That's your prompt. You'll paste it into AI, then you'll paste your email thread below it. AI will read the thread. It will ask clarifying questions if needed, then it will give you 5 bullets. Simple, no special skills required. Why does this prompt work? Well, when you say read what I paste next, it tells the AI to expect content. 5 plain English bullets gives it a specific number and a specific format. Owners and dates, if you can figure them out, gives optional details. One next step gives you something actionable. And ask up to 3 clarifying questions first. AI can ask if confused. You told AI exactly what you want. AI delivers exactly that. All right, let's see how it works. I'm opening the chat box. I paste the prompt. Then I go to my email inbox. I copy the 20 emails in the thread. I paste those into the chat box and I press enter. Then you'll see AI is reading. It takes 5 to 10 seconds, maybe up to a minute. And then look, the AI comes back and it asks 2 clarifying questions. Should I include the discussion about room booking or just focus on budget? And do you want me to highlight any disagreements or just the final decision? Those are good questions. So I answer, focus on budget and just show the final decision. And here's what the output is that AI generated. 5 bullets. The budget was approved. Sarah will own the creative development. Mike will handle vendor selection. The meeting room was booked. And final approval is needed by January 25th. It gives the owners. It gives the next step. And done. That's it. What just happened? I pasted the prompt. I pasted an email thread. AI asked clarifying questions. AI gave me 5 bullets plus owners plus a next step. Total time, 75 seconds. The email thread had 20 messages. Reading it manually would have taken me 15 minutes or longer. Writing 5 bullets, another 5 minutes. Total time, 20 minutes at least. AI did it in 75 seconds. Okay, now it's your turn. Open your approved AI tool, whether it's Copilot, Gemini, or ChatGPT. Find one email thread from this week. Don't forget, pick something safe with no sensitive data. Copy the prompt I showed you earlier. Paste the prompt, then paste the email thread. Answer the clarifying questions. Review the 5 bullets for accuracy. Time yourself. How long did it take? Write it down. That's your baseline. All right, so we did all of this work, but if nobody knows we did it, does it really count? So we want to make sure it's visible to our manager. We did the work. We want to make sure our manager sees it. So this is what you send. Here's an example email template that you can use, copy, paste, and modify to send to your manager. It summarizes the findings from your chat exercise and your tiny win, and you're good to go. The only thing is, we didn't make it visible to the manager that we used AI. So he or she doesn't know that we are becoming proficient in using AI. So what else can we do? Well, remember back in lesson 1, we shared 3 options to make your use of AI visible to your manager. You could add 1 line to the email thread right here. FYI, I saved 20 minutes using Copilot to summarize the email thread. That's it. 1 email. Your manager now sees that you summarized a long thread, you used AI, you verified it, you saved time, and you are more productive. If that's not a win, I don't know what is. So here's what we learned. An AI win is tiny. It's 1 email thread. It's useful. It saves 15 minutes. It's manager visible. They see it and they know that you are using AI. A prompt is plain English instructions. They're very specific, and you tell AI exactly what you want. The workflow goes like this. You paste the prompt, you paste the email thread, you answer clarifying questions. Then you get 5 bullets with owners and next steps. Don't forget, send to your manager with some sort of AI assisted message so the manager knows that you're using AI. Time saved. Manually, it would have taken us 20 minutes. With AI, it took 5 minutes the first time. Going forward, it'll take you a couple of minutes. Savings, 15 to 18 minutes each time you need to do this sort of work. And don't forget the 2 safety rules we learned in lesson 1. Use approved tools only, whether your company uses Copilot, Gemini, or ChatGPT, and never paste sensitive data. What's next? We're going to learn about reality filters because ChatGPT makes mistakes, Gemini makes mistakes, and Copilot makes mistakes. So how are we going to spot those mistakes so we don't just copy and paste? We're going to learn how to cross-check with sources in under a minute and what to do when the model keeps being wrong. But first, before we get to lesson 3, you have a little homework to do. Do 1 more email summary today. Ship it and make it visible. And then pick 1 item from this list. Then you'll know you understand how this works. You can summarize meeting notes, condense a long document, you can clarify a messy paragraph, or you can make a routine email request into a professional draft reply. Follow the rules that we went through in this lesson and do these 2 additional exercises before next week's lesson. Don't forget, please join us in the free school community for more lessons and worksheets and templates and meet other members getting their first AI win too. Visit our website at thisisflowai.com, follow us on LinkedIn, and we'll see you in lesson 3.